In this example, I'm going to show you how to subtract two mixed numbers with unlike denominators. The first thing we're going to do is record the problem on the left side of the slide, 6 3/5 minus 2 1/4. The fractions in the mixed numbers have unlike denominators, so we have to find a common denominator. To do this, we find the least common multiple of our denominators 5 and 4, which is 20, so we're going to rewrite our mixed numbers with fractions out of 20. In the first mixed number, 6 3/5, we have to multiply the denominator 5 by 4 to get 20, so we have to do the same thing to the numerator 3. When we do this, we get an equivalent fraction of 12/20. For the mixed number 2 1/4, we're going to take the denominator 4, and it has to be multiplied by 5 to get the equivalent fractions denominator of 20. Because we multiplied the denominator by 5, we have to also multiply the numerator by 5. When we do this, we get an equivalent fraction of 5/20. Next, we subtract the fractions, so 12/20 minus 5/20 is 7/20, and then subtract the whole numbers. In this example, the fraction in the answer cannot be reduced, so the final answer is 4 7/20.